SakaFeteFood, it's Jose here and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making 4 delicious shortbread recipes using one dough. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now this recipe is perfect for the Christmas holidays. I'm going to show you how to make one batch of cookies, and then I'll show you how to make a bulk batch. Another great thing about this dough is that you don't have to bake off all the cookies at once. The dough actually freezes really well, and you just cut and bake as needed. First, I'm going to start off by beating my butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. Now that that's mixed, I'm going to add my 1 egg yolk. Then I'm going to add my vanilla. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the flour to this. And this is our dough for one batch of cookies. All right, at this point, I'm going to try to weigh one batch of dough so I can figure out how much I need for each flavor. So it looks like one batch is about 536 grams. So I'm going to take that into account when I make my other flavors. So this is my first flavor, and this is everything you're going to need for this recipe. Oh my gosh, guys, if you could just smell this right now. Okay, now that I have finished my dough, we are actually going to roll it into a log, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge to refrigerate for about an hour. These are the ingredients you're going to need for the matcha lemon white chocolate shortbread cookies. So here I have my base, and I'm going to add the matcha powder, and I'm going to use my mixer to incorporate that. At the same time, I'm also going to use a little bit of lemon extract. Chocolate chips. Next, we have our Pina Colada shortbread cookies, and these are all the ingredients you're going to need. Okay, so my dough has chilled and I'm just going to unwrap it. Cut it into slices. And there you have it, tasty shortbread cookies ready for the holidays. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and God bless.